Alright everybody, I have a classic McDonald's French fry homemade recipe that I'd like to share with you today. Sit back and enjoy. First things first, we want to peel a russet potato. Now, once it is peeled, we want to cut it into thinly and tall shaped slices. We want to replicate the McDonald's look. Now, if you wanted to, you could cut these into potato wedges, you could cut them into cubes, you could cut them really into any shape that you wanted to. The process and the recipe is all the same. For recipe purposes on this specific video, I'm just doing tall and long ones to replicate McDonald's. Once they're all cut up, throw them into a bowl of water. This is going to break down the starch inside of the potatoes, so whenever you throw them into the air fryer, they're going to crisp up and be fluffy. Once you've let them soak in water for about 30 minutes, take them out and put them on a paper towel. We're going to dry them off very, very good because next up is the seasoning. Get out a big bowl, a saucepan, whatever you find, pour some extra virgin organic olive oil into it, and then we're just going to toss these fries and get them good coated in olive oil here. You can use really any kind of fat that you like. If you wanted to use coconut oil, tallow, whatever, you can. Salt them up. I used pink Himalayan salt, and then I also used some garlic powder afterwards. You can add chili powder to this if you want, Old Bay seasoning. You could season these fries really however you'd like to. Now, here comes the most important part. We're going to turn on our air fryer. Yes, we're going to air fry them, and you're going to put that at 400 degrees. And now, you want to cook these French fries in the air fryer for about 12 minutes, okay? So take the oiled up, seasoned up French fries and put them into the air fryer. You want them to lay kind of flat. You don't want them like all jumbled up. You want them to get a good even coated crisp all around it. So move them around until you need to, until they are flat just like that. Now, throw that back in the air fryer. I'm obviously struggling here. And again, 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Now, after the first 6 minutes, you're going to take them out and you're going to toss them around a little bit. Just get them mixed up, let them get a little bit more of an even coat around them. And again, you put them in there for 12 at 400, and then at the halfway point, 6-minute mark, is when you're going to pull them out. You're going to toss them around again. Got it? Awesome. So throw them back in there for the last 6 minutes. Now, once that's all done, they should start to look like this. We're not done yet because we want to get the insides very, very fluffy now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to lower the temperature until 380 degrees, and then we're only going to keep them in there for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, some days they cook up faster, some days they don't, so it could be anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Just pay attention to it. In the meantime, while they're cooking, go ahead and pour yourself some Heinz sugar-free ketchup, and then when they're done and they look all crispy and delicious and fluffy like that, transfer them into whatever plate or bowl that you have around and get ready to enjoy them. I'm so glad that you watched this recipe with me. I hope it helps you stick to your nutrition plan. Enjoy.